Kayla! Kayla! Kayla, this is it already. We're coming over here like this, and we pull over and you got the food right there, and then I had to go around and came back and then pick you up again. Remember? Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's something, huh? Oh shit.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready now? Are you okay? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Are you sure? Okay, could you hold it like this for me?
Yeah.
Yes, hold it. You could look around. You could look around.
You wanna go stand in line?
Well, let's see what it is and how much. You know? Right? You wanna know?
What's that thing?
Eh?
What's that?
It's only letting you know what's going on with it, you know, how much. Don't
I touched it.
Yeah? Well, let it go and it will go away.
I just put
Yeah.
it back in.
Yeah? Okay. It's silly. Okay, come on, let's go this way. This way, see what's going on. It is? Yes, it is. Well, it has to be, right? Because how else, right? Yeah. Oh, I like better this handle. Yes. Come on this way, Kayla. We could go right here. We could cross right from here. Oh. Yeah. Get online. Stand right here. Let me ask the officer, okay?
How much she's yelling?
I asked him. Yes. Excuse me, officer. What is this line for? What they do? What they do inside there?
Radio City, the Rockettes.
Really? And is there any fee?
Yeah.
How much?
They're expensive.
Yeah. What they do? What they have? Like
The Rockettes, the girls who kick.
Oh, okay. They dance and then like the Irish dances.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Cool. Yeah.
Down at the subway.
Huh?
Yeah.
Down at the subway.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh. Kayla, they're dancers. Oh, okay.
I think you got to, I don't know where you purchase. This is a line, you have to have your tickets ready. So I
Yeah.
don't know, did you
Or you have to.
ask that lady right there about tickets. Ask her right there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
They're wondering about tickets.
Oh, yeah.
You want
Yeah.
tickets?
Where do we buy them?
Go to the corner, make a left. There's a small line there for the box office.
Oh, okay. How much is it about?
It depends on where you're sitting
Okay.
and what time.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You can join here, 50th Street or 51st Street.
You want to go around and check? Let's check. Let's check. Let's just walk around. We're not gonna do it. What this one? You know, you always say yes. You always say yes, and then okay, we'll be back. You know what I mean? You know?
It would be cool, but I don't want to.
Yeah, right there. That's the line. Besides, we're supposed to go to 49th Street anyways. We're on 50. Yeah. Remember, go to 49 and then go that way, you know? So if we go this way, now we're on 50. You know? We were on 51. There we go. That's the tickets. Oh, there we go. Right there. Yeah, let's walk. They say the small line. This is small. It's bigger than that one over there, right? Ain't it? Oh, and then look at NBC Studios. Look at all the big activities around here. You see that? Do you see that, Kayla?
It's the last kid.
Yeah. Candy cane. Oh, go close. Watch. Go ahead, watch.
You scared me.
Yeah. Oh, you were just gone. Look behind you, okay? Look behind you.
Multiple lanes for entry. If you see empty space on the sidewalk in front of you, step down and take it. It is yours. We have multiple lanes for entry.
Oh, they're like if you cut, you're cut.
Yeah. And look at NBC Studios. Observation deck. Let's see what they do here. Shopping, restaurants. Oh, this is the studios. This is for the TV studios. Oh, the TV, for the TV channels, you know? NBC. Isn't it cool? It's amazing, right? NBC Studios, Radio City. Radio City. I am. Give me 1 second. Yes. Observation deck. Anthropology. Yeah. Is that gotta be like a hotel? It cannot be there. It cannot be like a. It cannot be like the Museum of Anthropology or nothing like that, right? It cannot be like the Museum of Anthropology or nothing like that, right? Yeah. You take credit. You take credit. Okay. All right. Now we're 50. We're supposed to go to 49 and 5th, because 5th Avenue is like it. 5th Avenue, you know what's that? 5th Avenue thing? It's like for the riches. Like a car like this will be like $1,000. Yeah. Yeah. You never hear about? Yeah. You never hear about 5th Avenue, Kayla? No? Oh. Oh, look it. Is that the thing? Yeah. Are they still fixing it?
I have no idea.
Oh.
Should be okay.
That should be okay? Yes. Yeah, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Very beautiful.
What's this
Yeah.
line for?
What line? What's that line for? Do you have any idea?
Because I know I'm
Oh, there's no line.
I thought it was to go down for the skating.
Oh, really? Oh, there's a skating down there?
Yeah, the skating rink's over there.
Oh, really? Oh, how much?
I have no idea.
Oh.
wanna
Oh,
go check out
you
the
gotta go.
skating
You gotta go down that way somewhere. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a nice
Go
day.
check it out.
All right. Come here, baby.
I'm pretty sure it's ice skating.
Yeah.
If it's ice skating,
Isn't it something? Yeah. Ice skating. To look, yes, Kayla. You know, right? Yeah.
can't do no ice skating.
Oh God, Kayla.
Especially at the big.
Remember the one day we were doing it. It was killing me. It was killing me. Oh yeah, look at right there.
That's a tiny ring.
Yeah, it's very tiny.
I see Santa.
Yeah, but look at that's the tree. That's the tree. The New York City tree. Isn't that amazing? Let's see. Let me take it over here. New York City Christmas tree. The Christmas tree. That's it. Yeah, right? Yeah. New York City Christmas tree. At the Rockefeller Plaza. This is the Rockefeller Plaza right there. You see that? Yeah. Baby. Look at, we could go around because look at right there. Look at all of that. We could go around and keep taking, you know?
Remember those ice skates were so uncomfortable? I can't believe I put my feet in them. Let's just kind of table that.
Huh? Oh no, I think you warm up. They warm up with it. Oh, and then they keep going around like this. Rockefeller Plaza, New York City Christmas tree. One of the scenes of Home Alone 2. Check the movie and you'll see this area.